How to fix Instagram comments not showing. So this issue might arise because you are not running the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, head over to your app store and in the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here, you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date. And this might be the reason that you are having the issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. Search for the application Instagram. Once you find it, head over to it. Now in this page, tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. Also, it will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram and you'll be good to go. But if you're still having the issue, then the next thing you want to do is uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Instagram comments not showing. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.